Hi friends, welcome back to Renewed Homestead. Just wanted to give you a quick tip. We've often been asked how we train our guineas to come back at night to roost. As you know, guineas are really good at dying. So we give them a place that they can go at night. During the day they forage, at night they come in. We don't necessarily interact much with them at this point because these guys were trying just to kind of let go wild. But we train them a very specific way and it has worked for us for years. So let me show you real quick. So right now, I'll let Ben come in. I apologize, it's a little dark. We're in the barn. But these guys are ready to go out. So what we have been doing is one at a time, we've been letting them out. So for the first 3 days, we let one out, leave the rest in. The next day we let two out, leave the rest in. And then a couple days later, we let three out. And we do this for about a couple weeks so you can kind of get the gist of it right now. So right now we're letting 7 out at a time. And then within the next few days, we'll be able to leave this open and they'll know exactly where to come at night to roost to keep them safer. So let's show you.
We
got 8. We're going to go with it. It's not a big deal. We had 7 out yesterday, so not a big deal. But they're going to hang out here. They are not going to want to leave their mates until they're all out. So now it's in their head, oh, this is our home. This is our safe place. This is where we have to come back to at night. And they'll go out and forage during the day and come back here. We've never had an issue with it. So if you're wondering how to train your guineas to come back to roost at night, this is how. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. God bless.
Make it so.